Pharmaceutical companies across Europe are working at an unprecedented level to find a cure to the virus that has sent shockwaves around the globe. But they are also looking to cover their own backs. Clauses are being included in the contract negotiations with the European Commission that say member states must share responsibility with the companies in the event of any unwanted side effects.
It is in our interest to have a vaccine as soon as possible, and that is why we have included in these contracts with pharmaceutical companies a clause to compensate the producers in the event of certain responsibilities.
Les producteurs de vaccins dans le cas de certaines responsabilités.
According to the pharmaceutical sector, the aim is to prevent any long and drawn-out court cases, which would also work in favour of patients.
The governments could create a fund which then is administered, and if there is an adverse reaction to a particular vaccine, then citizens can have the confidence that they can access those funds quickly.
But experts have condemned the lack of transparency and stressed the importance of knowing exactly what kind of obligations are in these contracts, especially at a time when anti-vaxxer campaigns are on the rise.
It is needless to say and explain that this is fundamental for the confidence in vaccines, for the public trust in the handling of the public health emergency, and for patient safety. These are very sensitive issues that should not be negotiated by some bureaucrats behind closed doors.
With the European Commission negotiating with some of the world's biggest pharmaceutical companies, deals have been struck in view of acquiring successful vaccines under the best conditions. One of which is with pharmaceutical giant AstraZeneca to acquire 300 million doses. And it has now concluded pre-order agreements with 4 more large companies. Member states will be given a certain number of doses relative to their population, but for some, this could be a race with too few winners.
What I'm still worried about is that wealthy nations are in a position to make these purchase commitments or these advanced purchase commitments unilaterally, while poorer countries don't have that option.
But the European Commission is trying to avoid this situation, and its commitment to the WHO's Global Vaccine Access Initiative, COVAX, is aimed at ensuring everyone in this race is a winner.